So you want to turn physics on or off for a component that set simulate physics. Sometimes objects should be static until the game says otherwise. This node let you flip physics on or off dynamically. And to get this node, just right click and type in set simulate physics. And now we have two options here, one for cube and second one is cube 1. Now why is that? Because its target is primitive component, so it needs to be connected to an object that you can simulate physics on. So for now we will choose this one, and as you can see, this is how you can get this node. For now, let's just remove both of these because we have example prepared where we are taking an execution pin from event begin play to a delay of 5 seconds, and then we are setting simulate physics on a cube, and we check simulate to yes. And for now, one special thing you need to understand here is you can also set simulate physics through clicking on a cube or your object and then coming to details panel where you can type in simulate, and you will find this option which says simulate physics. And for cube 1 I will check it, and for cube I will uncheck this. So what will happen now is the cube 1 from the start falls to the ground, but the cube 1 will not fall to the ground because it will wait for 5 seconds, then only the simulate physics get turned on it. So for now, let's just compile the code and see it in action. So here, as soon as I click play, as you can see, the cube 1 just fall down on the floor and the cube is waiting to get its time completed on it. And you know what, let's just change things a bit because this is very simple. So let's just copy and paste this one, because now we will do the same with both of them and add a delay of 0.2 seconds so we can see more accurately here. And definitely this is for better understanding of this example. You can experiment however you like. And now let's just press begin play. And now what will happen is we are waiting for 5 seconds of both of these cubes. After 5 seconds, as you can see, the first one starts first falling, then the second one fall up after 0.2 second, and you can even see how they touch the ground in the difference of 0.2 second. We can even increase the time to 1 second, and now we will see it more clearly how set simulate physics works. Now it is actually used for ragdolls, destruction props, or turning static object into interactable when hit. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.